Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from the J case, which is the recent one. So I thought of just unboxing this and show you guys how it looks. So let me just take my knife. Okay, here it is. Okay, so I bought this for MRP. So I just so you know I'm doing this video on a Saturday, and I'm recording these videos on a Saturday. So today I just bought like more than today, and just yesterday itself I bought a lot for my group for MRP in MRP itself. So just join my group, guys, if you want to buy in MRP, but don't sell for more than MRP if you are joining my group, because that's the only condition I have. So if you are okay with that and if you are interested in it, go to my post and you can check there, and you can see my link there. Just request it, I'll just connect with you and I will allow you inside the group. Okay, let's have a closer look of this one. Let's put some light here. Okay, so this one is actually kind of a orangish brown, you can say. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that color. So this one is not the STH version, so this is just the basic version. So the logo placement is really good, and at least they did the headlights, but as usual there are no taillights painted here. So the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic. So it does look really nice. I mean, it has rear view mirrors as well. So far whatever I unboxed it, everything actually had some kind of paint issue, as you can see here. I think the light is shining on that one. I hope you guys can see that. So which is a bit disappointing, because we are paying now around 180 rupees for these things, which I personally don't like to pay that much just for a main line. And so it does have some interior detailing. So the windows are a bit tinted, so I'm not sure if you guys are able to see this clearly. It does some interior detailing which looks nice. Even with my naked eye I can't able to see it properly because it's tinted. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick and see. Normal force. Okay, let me just it rolls really smooth. It is not noisy or anything. It does have some wheel wobble to it, especially on the rear wheels, but it is very minor. It is not very noticeable like other cars which we unboxed in our previous weeks. But rest is up to you guys. If you want to buy this one, go ahead and buy it. So this is actually like one in the box. So today is the only day I actually saw two in a box, and both are not STH. So which is my bad, like I say. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.